It's your girl, my Nicole. Welcome back to the Journey Game. Hey, I'm gonna give you some tea because this young lady, what I'm about to do today, I'm doing a wig install, and the young lady that gracefully allowed me to purchase her hair from her at this time, oh my gosh, guys, I've been wanting to wear her hair since I came across her. Okay, finally get the opportunity, and the time has come. It is gonna be my birthday in 2 weeks, and I said, why not get this hair here? Okay, why not wear her hair for my photo shoot this weekend? Why not? I tell you. So I did it. I ordered it, and I'm excited. I am so ecstatic right now. I'm ecstatic right now. So give me a second. Her name is Karamarieservices. I'm gonna put her IG right here. Karamarieservices is her name. You can find her on IG. You can find her on Twitter. You can find her on the Snapchat. You can find her on the Facebook. She is on all platforms, okay? She sent me this in the mail, and I finally got it today. Oh my God, because I was stressing. You guys don't understand how much I was stressed, and I'm so eager to look at this wig. I'm just like talking to kind of pass by the time. This is the product. Y'all, I love this. This is like a silk pillow. Almost like, give me 5 minutes. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh, she gave me some lashes, y'all. That means I don't have to go to the store tomorrow and get any lashes, because these are kind of getting played out. You see how they looking kind of lopsided. I don't like it, but these are so cute. Look at that. I love it. And the funny part is, I actually was gonna get me some, but I just didn't. I didn't pull through. So she gave me this really cute. You have an official become a part of the Marie Mafia. Thank you for shopping with Karamarieservices. Be sure to rock our products with confidence because you are a true queen. XOXO. Kyra Marie. This is so cute, y'all. What else? Yo, it's a wig. I'm so excited. And it comes already curled. That's one thing, y'all. I really suck at styling my wigs. So the fact that it comes already styled, your girl put in a lot of work. And oh my gosh, it feels so amazing. Like this feels amazing. Like I don't want to keep doing it so the curls will fall out, but oh my gosh, this feels amazing. All right, let's just get to work. I'm ready. I don't know if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part. So I'm gonna clean. I'm going to clean my forehead, even though I was preparing for a frontal. You still wanna clean your whole perimeter. Just get a deep clean. Make sure you get that 90%. Right now your girl's rocking a 70. I gotta do what I gotta do because, you know, since we're in a pandemic and everybody wanna buy alcohol, it's really hard. You know, it's really hard to find some decent alcohol. Y'all, make sure you oil your scalp with the wild growth. I kept telling when my hairstylists do grow. You wanna make sure your scalp is nice and lathered before you do an install. So we're gonna do this method. Yeah, we'll do it like that. I don't know, I think I can get away with not even doing the bald head method. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So we're gonna do the bald head method. I'm taking my best hairspray ever. I already did a video on this. If you haven't did it and you haven't caught up onto it, I'm gonna need for you to catch up onto it, because this is the Bangg hairspray. This is 10 times better than the Got to Be glue spray. Yes, you're gonna be spending a little bit more for your money, but if you want your hair to be placed in check and be on hold, and you ain't gotta worry about it lifting like the Got to Be glue spray, baby, you need this. So for those who do not know how to do this, what I'm going to do, show you problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this needle, put this thread through the needle. I basically do that. I wet it just enough to go through the hole. Pull it through. I'm sitting on it. I don't know why I always go big or long. I like them long. The Bangg, whoa, whoa, not the Bangg, the Bangg, whoa, whoa. So when I say this is gonna be snug as a rug on my head, like she ain't going nowhere. She not going nowhere. She not going nowhere. Just like I said, she not going anywhere. So let's adjust this to. Oh yeah, for sure. I should have put some makeup on it, but since it's just like, you know, since it's just this part. A little bit forward. There we go. And then I'm gonna take this and kind of blend that in. But I'm also going to take my Bangg hairspray and kind of like get into the area right here. This, because the last Bangg that I was using has a bunch of oil on it. she didn't think it was. It'd be easier to do this. So. See, I cleaned it up. I used the Tresemme root.